I'm Sarah, and this is my husband Dan, and we're building a house on a tiny island in the Bahamas. And in this episode, almost nothing goes wrong. This is not good. Just kidding. Let's get into it. Good morning, and welcome to day 4. It is a pour day, baby. Freaking pour day. We have the concrete truck coming. It's gonna pull down here. We're gonna pour and bucket out of here and somehow get the buckets up in there. I'm not really sure what the method is gonna be, but it's gonna be quite the production. Look at those bolts, baby. Are those our deck bolts? No. For the floor. Yeah. Okay, that's for the floor. All right, the inside deck. Okay, you guys. These are bolts.
They're gonna hold the facial boards for the decking.
Yeah.
For the floor.
For the floor, because this is our garage and our house is gonna start up there, which is absolutely insane. I don't know if you guys remember the pop-up tent.
The wind completely destroyed our pop-up tent. It folded it in half like a deck chair.
It's all right. It's all fixable.
We put it back together, and it has honestly been a godsend in this heat, but it is looking rough. And there's some face hazards that you gotta watch out for. But I'm still grateful for it, I'll tell you that.
The concrete truck is on the way to the property. We currently have 3 buckets there, but we are on the hunt for 3 more. All right, we're back at Jerry's property to see if we can find some buckets. Pretty sure he's on site working, and this is how I find him. Hey, Jer. There he is. Hey, Jer. Yeah. We're looking for some more buckets. All right. Well, that sounds pretty fair. All right, we came at a perfect time. We're gonna give Jerry a hand real quick. Oh, look at this system.
So the orange clamp hits the inside of the window, will not slide over it.
Got it.
And I've got to get it all the way up, and I can't be holding this and pushing it out a little bit. That's a couple hundred pounds. Yep. Okay. I'm exaggerating. What we're gonna do, yeah, is we're gonna pick up slacks. Going.
Can you believe this guy is building this house all by himself?
Ooh, that's pretty close. All right.
See you guys.
See you later, buddy. Now we're headed back to the job site to pour some concrete. See you guys there.
Look at me!
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay, you guys, it's happening. Our first pour of phase 2. Let's go. Let's go.
Most people wait for perfect conditions, perfect timing, perfect gear, perfect help. But out here, we don't have that luxury. Out here, you just start. 1 bucket at a time, 1 lift at a time, 1 step closer than yesterday. Bucket after bucket in the hot Bahamian sun is not punishment. This is the price of building a life you believe in. This is how dreams become real, not all at once, but piece by piece and choice by choice. Anybody can quit when it gets uncomfortable. Anybody can stop when it gets hard. But if you want something that most people will never get to experience, you have to be willing to do what most people will never do. You choose to keep going, and eventually, the mountain moves.
We're using the extra concrete to pour it into the low spots in our foundation because later we plan to pour a slab here.
Feeling amazing. We got the full bell course poured. It took us about an hour and 20 minutes. It was absolutely amazing. Everyone was busting their ass. It is a hot day today, but we got it done. Everyone's cracked a beer now.
Except for us.
Except for us.
I don't know if you can tell, by the way, but this is all wet. You can't even see a dry spot on the man. No, you don't even have one. Ooh. Oh, even the hand gets wet when you slap the booty.
Come on, man. It's ready for a swim later.
So good. One step closer. One step. It's good. Thanks for coming along for the ride.
I hope it looks as hard as it was. All right, after a long day of lifting buckets of concrete, the boys are going out.
Day 4 was a success. We got the bell course poured. We're just here at the end of the day enjoying a sunset and some beach time and admiring the progress that we made today. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna pull forms and start to build the floor. Feeling grateful. Feeling grateful. Glad you're here for the ride. We appreciate you. We'll see you tomorrow.
One of the things I'm curious about is how they're gonna remove these forms tomorrow with these bolts sticking through. So I'm sure, well, yeah. I'm sure you guys are probably curious if I'm curious. So I'll let you know what Dan comes up with in the morning.
Maybe it goes easier than we think. Who knows?
Yeah. Reporting back tomorrow. Also, you know we had to put our hands in there.
Good morning.
It's day 5!
Day 5.
And we're taking off the forms and
For the bell course
yeah.
that we poured yesterday, and it came out amazing. We'll show you guys that in just a second. Today we're gonna be pulling off forms and then getting the wood ready to frame the floor.
And
so
I'm
big
gonna
day
dance
today.
on the floor later. I'm gonna have a floor dance party.
Dance party. You're all invited.
Yeah, see you there.
1 hour later.
So Dolly and I just checked the measurement of the beam. We're going with 302.
Yes, sir.
Now we're gonna work on building that beam right now.
We are Getting that beam up there.
It's another successful day here at the job site. Right now we got 2 portions of the beam up. We're putting the third up to sandwich and laminate it all together. It's going great. It's going great. We'll check in with you in a little bit.
All right, we just got the center beam put up. Now, I'm pretty sure we're working on beams that go across based off of me observing and guessing. We're all in good spirits. Wind is out today, so feeling pretty good. Pretty freaking good. Oh, Dan's at the store getting more screws. That's one funny thing. I guess it's not so funny, but we never have enough screws. We always need more screws. Next time, I'm gonna get a boatload of freaking screws so we don't get screwed, you know?
Everything was finally going smooth. Boards were being cut, screws were going in, and the center beam was officially set. For the first time in this trip, it felt like we were actually getting ahead. Then, our generator died. When you build on a remote island, your generator is the heartbeat of the entire project. Without it, the tools stop, the progress stops, and the build stops.
Saving the day?
Hope so. Hope it's just the oil.
No, you got
Gas on it?
what?
You got gas?
Yeah, there's gas in it. No. All right, I can't fail today. What do you need?
This is not good.
This is where we leave you today.
The ocean makes everything better.
Hit that subscribe button and see if we can revive this generator and keep this floor going up.
She wants it.
We are building our crew to 100,000 subscribers this year, and we want you with us. If you want to support us even more, check out our Thrive Offgrid merch. It directly fuels this build.